So I wanted to do a video of doing a makeup tutorial of a full face of nothing new. So everything that you'll be seeing in this video, it's already been out, and I've had these for quite some time. Some of the products I have never used before, but I really love the end result of everything. So this would be my makeup look. Like I said, I absolutely love all these products. So if you're interested in watching, keep doing so. I hope you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Ring the bell. And hello to my fellow subscriber that's been subscribed to me. Hello, and I'm very grateful you're here. And without further ado, I will get started right now. Okay, so I've owned this palette for quite a few months and I've never used this. So this would be the Cosmetics. This would be the Cosmetics Smitten in Switzerland. And this is what the color story looks like on the inside. You can see there's like greens, a bit of blue, pinks. Super pretty. So I've already primed my eyelids with a little bit of foundation and a little bit of setting powder on top. Oh, I don't know what color to choose. I think we'll build it as I go. Okay, so the first shade as like my transitional would be Montreux. Would it be this one right here? So just put that lightly all over the crease. So there's not much color within that shade. I feel like that shade is perfect to set the eyes with after like primer. But it's a very light shade. I guess it's not a transitional crease shade for me. You can't really see anything. Okay, so I'll just take this shade right here called Fondue, and I'll put that as my transitional crease shade. Okay, so now I'll take the shade called Snow Cap right here, and I'll put that as my brow bone highlight. So there's a lot of beautiful shimmer shades I could choose from. And this whole palette, it's so beautiful. But I'm not sure like which direction to go. I feel like I want to use all of them just to create like a Northern Lights kind of situation. So beautiful. Okay, so I think okay, so the first inner half of my first part of my lid, I'm going to take the shade called Geneva. This one right here. And we'll go from there. Okay, so next I want to take Glacier Express. That shade is really beautiful. Okay, so now I'm going to take this green shade called Mount Reggie. Beautiful green color. It almost looks like a metallic forest green color. Okay, so one of the last shimmer shades I want to take is called Brisk. And it's like this bluish, it almost looks like a duochrome. Okay, so now I'm just going to blend everything. Okay, for the lower lash line, like halfway, I want to take this shade called Slope. I want to take this shade right here. Okay, so now for inner corner, I want to take the shade called Lapse right there. And hopefully it's a beautiful light shimmer shade. It looks like it's a duochrome, so we'll see how that goes. Okay, so that is all the colors that I am going to be using from this gorgeous palette. I really love how everything came together as far as the eye look. My under eye with that olive shade doesn't look so intense. And overall, I'm just so happy with the shimmers. I'm telling you, this shade right here is beautiful. It looks like it's just a dull silver shade, but reality it's just gorgeous. It's like a blue lavender, like duochrome. I mean, it's just beautiful. Like I think this would have to be like my favorite shade from the whole palette. But you see there, it's like it's got a lavender undertone, but with like a silver, light bluish shift. I mean, it's really beautiful. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking a blush color from the Revolution in collaboration with Roxy, and this is the Blush Burst palette. And I'm going to be taking this shade right here, and this one. It's pigmented and it's not going on patchy, which is really good. Okay, so now for a highlighter, I want to take my Sleek Makeup, and this is in Love Shook. It's like a highlighter palette. And I'm going to be taking this shade right here. Yeah, this shade right here, it's like a pinkish, rosy, light highlighter. It's super beautiful. Okay, so the last item, I want to take this lip gloss, and it's from L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Gloss, the 8-hour wear, and this is in the shade Glistening Berry. So that is everything for this video. I really hope you enjoyed watching. I really love the idea of having like a full face of using what I already own. Some of these products I haven't reached for quite some time, and they are favorites, so I genuinely love the color tones, and the palette was a win for me. This palette is so beautiful. You get so many different tones, and like it's on a small condensed size. So BH Cosmetics, they know what they're doing with these travel palettes. So thank you so much for watching. May God bless, and I hope you have a good rest of your day or night, whatever time you're watching. And I will hopefully see you in my next one. Bye.